Hey guys, needed to take a little break and now I'm back. So, for the next one, we're gonna do a box of goodies. Oof. Except for this one because that was part of it. Is this it too? Um, nope, that one's it. So, if anyone remembers when Gamestop did the mystery box things, not sure why they're not doing them anymore. They're cheap, fun stuff. But I got to them, so let's go through the contents of this one, shall we? So first off, we got the Fortnite burger. That's literally what it says. Dur. It's really soft. It's cute. Don't want to eat it because it's too adorable. Sky Lou. Luton. Okay. And next, we have a Concept One accessory. Let me get this open. And it is a Marvel 80 Years pencil pouch fanny pack thing, whatever you want to call it. Venom versus Carnage. And if we open up the little zipper, nothing showy like the Halo one, but you can put stuff in there creatively. That is nothing showy inside either, but it is cool. And this mystery box was 35, I think it was, maybe 30. I don't remember. This was like last year ago or something. And GameStop, please do some more mystery boxes. Getting cool stuff. They're cheap. Yes, please. People complain about these things, but you don't have to buy them. And they are cheap and cool. And you just never know what you get. No. So that's that. Next we have... of course it did get damaged. And shipping, obviously. But it's Beyblade Burst Evolution. Zalius, I think it's pronounced. Launcher kit. High in attack, low on burst, no defense, lots of weight, low on agility and stamina. So that's what that stands. And then we got a game I despise the most, Minecraft Squish Me thing. And there's 6 different kinds to collect. We're gonna open this up gently. Even though it's Minecraft, so I really shouldn't. I doubt it, but I'm kind of hoping for the rare blue creeper thing. And of course it's not. But not a problem though, because it's a panda. Panda, panda, panda. On ahead. Oops. You know, I wonder. Oh, we're halfway there. Wow! Panda on ahead. And it's very squishy. It's very soft. Ooh, squishy, squishy, squishy. Good little fish. Good little fish. Okay, I'll admit this one wasn't so bad, but 1 in 24 chance for a blue creeper. Right. But since I love my Asian stuff though, getting a panda, not bad. Not too bad. Okay, we got that. That one too. Next is the extra large fig pen. This T60 Fallout Power Armor. And as you can see, that's a big one. It's like hand size. That's its backside. We don't need to really open it because it's a fig pen. And there's nothing to see on its backside. But you can see how thick the material is right here. So that's that. Next on the list, I just love the taste of plastic when trying to open this stuff. But I forget I have a box cutter to help. Come on, you. Hey. Oh. Hey. I actually did a trick. Batman, wallet. ID goes here. Cards and stuff go here. Cash and stuff obviously in here. And then as far as your loose change goes, this really tight pouch right here on its backside. Not that I would ever really use it or anything, though, because I'm more of an anime kind of wallet. But still cool, nonetheless. We'll get this back inside somehow, some way. Did I say Subway or Someway? I don't remember. That will be something for another time. Okay, next we have Dragon Ball Super Blood of Saiyan Special 7 Vegeta figure. Did it on all 3 sides. Let's see. And when I saw the price of what these things were in store, it was like $25. So you figured the mystery box was had to put them together. So you figure if the mystery box itself is $35, so you figure that Vegeta himself is literally most of it, and then everything else would be less. So very cheap feeling stand, Bandai Namco. Weak. Okay, so this is all separated. hook matuk. And they make these things so cheaply and so painful to put in that I'm afraid of breaking it, so we're gonna leave it like this. This is just really a demonstration, not an actual full-on display. Then we got Vegeta's reddish head. Kind of reminds me of the PlayStation 5 controller. Nope, not like that. And then, of course, we have good old Vegetable. That's his nickname, according to a lot of people. Says a lot of characters seems to be very closely related to food, like Piccolo, Pickle, Lololol, and all that fuss and everything. And then we got Radish Raditz. Frieza would be a freezer. Then we got his La Bude. What does that look weird? How do you... Partial separation. And of course, the hook goes right up his poop chute. Why? Don't even know what this little part's for, though. Maybe people will complain about it because of how cheap this thing is. I don't know. All I know is I can't seem to get the hook in his butt, and yet that's where it's supposed to go. But holding it like that, that's how it's supposedly supposed to be. I don't know. But that's that. Excuse me. Oh yeah, definitely gonna have to take a little break to take some of my Lanta. Whew. That heartburn is coming with a bane. Can we get him back in his body? And apparently his bodacious booty. And that apparently they want to put the hook up his butt, which is really weird. But okay then. And then finally, everything's back in. Fold her back up if we can. Figures. There we go. Now I got it in the fit. Box. In we go. Come on. In we go. Thank you. No, we're not done. We got one more thing to go. That's in this little box here. And it's a Deadpool mug And it's a pretty big, good size too, considering. Anyways, that concludes this unboxing episode of stuff and whatnot. It's a nice little trove of treasures and stuff. If they don't want to stay in place, I don't remember how I had it all laid out. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.